Hey y'all. So I decided that I wanted to try to do like a little vlog thing. So I'm in my room. I just got done filming some videos. It is 10:48 p.m. on Friday and I'm wide awake, eating stew in the comfort of my own bed. I'm going to watch some YouTube, and then I'm going to, after I finish my stew, I'm going to watch some YouTube, and then I'm going to crochet. So I'm going to be crocheting with the this yarn Snap Time by Lion Brand, so that I can film a let's talk about it, actually using the yarn. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Here's our stew.
Natural, non superwash, nylon free, and botanically that yarns to create these patterns. After a couple of months of work, 3 patterns were created, and I remember
Ugh. Okay guys, so I got all of the videos edited. I will just say that the the let's talk videos are pre-recorded for the next couple weeks, which is definitely going to help me maintain my schedule. Can you see? Awesome. So now I am just updating my calendar. So yes, and I know it's late, it's like 11:06. It is January 22nd, 11:06 at night, and I did pre-record. Nothing wrong with pre-recording, especially for videos like that, where it was just like a lot of yarn that I had already had on hand, that I never showed you guys like in that section. So those ones are done for the next couple of weeks. And then I also went ahead and filmed the social hour, so you will see I'm wearing the same shirt as the podcast. I filmed it today, and the podcast will go up tomorrow, Saturday at 9 o'clock. So you guys will have already seen it. So yeah, so I just need to update my schedule, just to make sure that I know that I already did everything, and I have all of it like in my calendar. If you guys can see, I'm being very diligent, and I'm just gonna mark off. So I didn't do the let's talk for this week. I was supposed to get that done today, so it just will start next week. Next week there will not be a podcast, but you will have a let's talk on Friday, and you will have a social hour on Sunday. Just no podcast. And then when the following Saturday, after the 30th, is that the day? Yes, the 30th, you will not have a podcast, but you will have one on the 6th of February. Wow, January is like almost over. My birthday is actually next Thursday on the 28th. So I'm just going to go through my calendar and check off everything that's done. And because I took like a nap, so that's why I'm still up, I decided that I'm going to, and of course you're laying on it because you lay on everything. Oh no. Oh, I know I should have picked it up. I have to find my bamboo crochet hook. Also likes to lay on all of my important stuff, so I totally thought he was laying on it. So I will find that hook, but I decided I'm gonna go ahead and test out the I was being smart because I knew I was gonna lose it. I love me. Look, Past me be looking out for future me because I know how I am. There it is. But anyway, I'm actually going to do the crochet bee. I'm going to do a pink one with purple wings and a purple one with pink wings. So I got my two colors out so that I could actually work with the yarn, because the video that you guys are going to see pertaining to that yarn, I haven't actually worked with it yet at this point. So then once I work with it, I will do another follow-up about the video so that you guys could know like how it works. So yeah, so this is definitely working for me. I'm gonna go through and update my schedule. Anyway, so yeah, I got the podcast done because it had already been like 2 weeks. So I was like, I'll just film it today and upload it tomorrow. But usually for my podcast, I like to do them same day. But this week is just a little bit different because, like I said, I'm trying to get back into it. So yeah, I'm good for a majority of February on the Let's Talks. And of course, like you guys, I'm going to be doing those follow-up videos. And I write down everything in my my notes here. Like I'm going to show you guys. This is one that I want to talk about. I can't show you too, don't be reading it. But I'm definitely going to sneak in some about embroidery, sewing. It's going to be great. You guys are really going to enjoy it. So I am going to finish updating my schedule, finish planning out some more videos, and then tomorrow you will have a podcast. And I haven't podcasted in like 2 weeks. It's been a minute. And I'll also have I'll have some crochet beads. I have a lot of polyfill. And then I think I want to finish the sunflower pillow. I'm up, like I'm not tired at all. My computer over there is doing some work. It's exporting all of the videos that I just filmed. I filmed 5 videos right now. And once that's done, I'm actually going to put my computer to work again, because I'm going to upload them to YouTube and just have them scheduled out so that I don't have to think about them. Oh, my hair is sticking out. It's okay. So I don't have to think about them, and then they could just go up when they're supposed to go up, and that will keep me on track and keep me invested in my channel. And like I said, we are hoping for good things we are actually manifesting good things for 2021. So with that being said, let's get to it. And I like these like little vlog things. It's actually really cute. Okay, so I just got done. I already updated my schedule, and what you saw me doing was I am right now just writing out all of the follow-up videos that I need to do for the yarn reviews that you'll be seeing within the next couple of weeks. So I have this app called GoodNotes, and in GoodNotes it allows you to basically make like a little notebook. So this is my Let's Talk notebook, and I have all of I have some like future ideas that I want to do, and then the follow-ups that I need to fill out pertaining to those other videos that I posted. So that is what I am doing now, so that I can make sure that I remember all the questions, because my memory is bad. I will tell y'all that it is bad. Okay, sorry, I was concentrating. But yeah, I'm just doing that because when I'm up, I have nothing more to do at this time than to be productive. But I'm actually going to put that down because I did a lot today, and one way to avoid burnout is to make sure that you don't overexert yourself. Sorry, I just realized that was playing. I'm watching YouTube. But yes, I am very, very, very excited My stuff is still exporting on my laptop, and once that's done, probably tomorrow, I'll go ahead and do all the scheduling, like getting it uploaded and doing all the scheduling. But now I am going to crochet the crochet bee pattern, which I have on my phone, on my iPad. There it is, the bumblebee. There he is. He's so cute. The TikTok bumblebee. And if you're wondering why this camera quality is so good, is because I'm filming on my phone, which is like, I think it's like 4K, whereas my poor little webcam is only 1080p. I will hopefully, I just didn't want to have like all that on my phone. I can do like the little vlog videos, but I don't want like too much of that stuff on my phone. So that, unfortunately, that's why I'm actually going to print this. I'm hoping one day I can get a better camera so that my YouTube videos will look this clear, because this is clear. It's good. So yeah, I'm gonna do my pink bee. Oh God, I hate when I can't find the middle of the yarn. It's so tragic. Come on. Nope. Ugh. Having the yarn come out of the middle should be mandatory. I don't like pulling from the outside. I think it's whack. So I'll just pull from the outside, and I will let you guys watch the process on how I do my do the bee. Maybe I'll flip the maybe I could lower it. Okay guys, I'm fat, so if you see all my fat, that's why. But it's okay. You guys know I'm a mess. We're all a mess. So, oh God, I'm losing that weight though. So I'm gonna watch my YouTube and crochet, and you guys can just be along for the ride, and hopefully I don't get tired soon, but I don't see that happening, so enjoy. Okay, so I totally had to restart because I was using a 6 instead of a 5, and the yarn recommends a 5. So I grabbed my 5, and I'm going to go ahead and restart. Okay, this is how far I got on my bee. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a total of 5 stripes. I just have to do 2 more. And you guys, I am so excited to talk about this yarn. Yes, it is all that. So look forward to the follow-up about that. But I'm definitely gonna put it down. So in the last clip, what happened was I was using a 6 because I couldn't find a 5. It definitely for sure makes a difference. So I had to rip that out and get my 5, and then yeah, it's definitely working so much better. So yeah, this is how much we have of our little bee. And then like I said, I'm gonna make a reverse one to go with it. I just and then they're gonna have green wings because that's the only other color that I have, and it's gonna look cute. So I'm really excited about this. I love this yarn. I still wouldn't say that it's necessarily a size 4. It's just totally not giving me size 4. I would say it is a size 3, but it's a joy to work with. Let me actually save the labels. I need like somewhere to put the labels because I don't want to lose them. But I couldn't find the inside, so I had to pull from the outside. But it is currently, let me check my watch, 12:08 in the morning. I am going to stop crocheting and turn in, and then I'll see you tomorrow when I am ready. All of the videos did go ahead and export. I just have to upload them to YouTube and schedule them, and I'll do that tomorrow. So good night for tonight, guys. Bye-bye. Mm.